We got a ZX7 gas tank here. We're going to be painting another one for it. This one's obviously got some damage on it. So we're striping it right now. What we went ahead and did was made a template for the stripe. We have it in the booth already. We've already painted the white. To match the white, we used an 040 Toyota base with a 070 Pearl over it, Toyota also. And for the green, we're going to use code 43, which is Kawasaki New Green. As you can see, here's the new tank. This is our template. We'll use the mask off the stripes. Go ahead and see green. Okay, we got 4 coats of green on, and now we're going to clear. That dry, and then we'll put the tape on and see what we got. Alright, got the green laid down. In the first video I actually said Kawasaki code 43. It's actually Kawasaki code 45. Always use a fine line tape. Got a little overspray here you can see, but that's okay because we cleared this and we're going to be sanding it down anyway. Next we're going to be putting the sticker on. And then we're going to do the blue. And then it'll be done. Alright. Got some decals from RD Decals. Got it all mapped out where I want to put it. I'll put a little glass cleaner on it. Non-foaming kind. And gonna put it on. There you go. Just going to repeat the process, do the other side. We'll be good. all masked off, and we are ready to put some blue on. Ready for a little bit of clear. Okay, got the stickers on and the blue laid out. For the blue, I used a combination to get the color where I wanted it. It's 3/4 Citron EMJ, 1/4 Volkswagen LA5F, and if you're not really matching anything, this works really good right here. Marine Blue by House of Color. I just had to have it a little bit closer. Gonna sand it down with some 2000, get it cleared, and it'll be done. All right, let's put some clear on this and finish this thing up. Got it all done. A little bit of buffing here and there. She is good to go.